Tomorrow, American Airlines will resume filling planes to capacity and move the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention calls disappointing during this pandemic.
WGN's Shannon Halligan shows us what changes the airline is making and why it believes customers will be safe.
Starting tomorrow, anyone with a flight with American Airlines may get a notification that their flight is full with the option to change. But the move has many concerned as the number of COVID-19 cases continues to rise in states across the country.
Do not have a face covering. Please see me at the gate.
American Airlines moves to full capacity July 1st. To do that, the airline said they're implementing new cleaning and safety measures.
It is an opportunity for us to, reassure the customer of all of the layers of protection that are in place in a COVID-19 environment.
Franco Tedeschi is the Chicago American Airlines vice president. He said some changes include requiring customers to confirm their health before flying. Employees undergo temperature checks. Surfaces are deep cleaned, and planes are regularly fogged.
Every evening, American is taking the initiative to fog close to 150 airplanes with an electric static product, which allows for a 7-day shield on all of the surfaces of the aircraft that a customer would be in contact with.
However, the CDC director said the implementation of full capacity flights is under serious review. While some customers say they feel safe getting on a plane,
as long as people are wearing their masks and doing what they're supposed to, wash their hands, and I think, following the guidelines, I think it works.
Others think it's a risky move to make.
It's not safe at all. They're not practicing social distancing.
If that's the case, American said they're giving passengers options before they board.
They would like to move to a flight that is less sold. They have the choice to do that at no charge to them. And the truth is we have less than a 4% uptake on that offer of customers. So they're feeling reassured by the measures and the multiple layers of protection.
Still, American Airlines says that demand is up from June to July, but that they're still only operating about 55% of the domestic flights compared to this time last year. At O'Hare, Shannon Halligan, WGN News.